To record screen on Realme 14 Pro Plus, all you simply have to do is go into these quick settings, and right here you can find the shortcut for the screen recording, and you can also do the same by going into this smart sidebar, and right here we also have this button to record screen. Here we will have to accept some permissions for this application to actually record. We can actually change which sounds we want to record, the system sounds or the microphone sounds, and simply press start recording. And here you have this live action notification right here, and as you tap on it we can mute system sounds to be recorded, or we can change this microphone to be recorded. We can pause and we can stop the recording. And also, if you actually want to adjust some settings for the screen recorder, you have to go into the settings, and from here scroll all the way down and go for the accessibility and convenience. And here scroll down again, and here we can find screen recording. Let's go in there, and here are a couple of useful options for the screen recording. For example, here we can also toggle to record system sounds or the microphone sounds. We can change the definition of these recordings. We can change the frame rate, as you can see. You can also toggle privacy protection to stop notifications, status bar updates, and quick settings from appearing on the screen during recording. And here are also some other settings, like for example show touches, or we can also change the video coding format, or we can also toggle right here to record front camera video. So yeah, that's it.